Molds are a hidden danger. How much do you really know? I've heard of noble mold used on meat. It's essential to know that, contrary to what you might think, they can be very bad for you. Our technology controls and manages temperature, humidity, airspeed, and food pH, preventing mold formation and ensuring safe and high-quality meat. So don't let molds compromise the quality of your food and your health. Discover how to get safe food now. Contact us today to learn more and start using Stagionello technology.